The WEF, the World Economic Forum 2023, just ended in Davos, Switzerland. The WEF is a polarizing organization. Many love the WEF, many hate the WEF. Today, I want to shed a more balanced view on the WEF and its future quantum technologies and quantum computing agenda, and explain where they want to see quantum technologies being used. First things first, the key question is, what does the WEF want from quantum computing? What do they expect from quantum technologies? Or, to rephrase this, will quantum technologies enable the agenda and plans of the WEF? The WEF has been publishing papers regarding quantum computing. These papers are openly available, and I will put a link to them in the description. What seems clear is that the WEF publicly and openly supports quantum computing and quantum technologies. The gap in the fundings from quantum computing and quantum technology clearly shows the difference between the number one key player in quantum computing, China, and the rest. China funded quantum computing and technologies with over $15 billion this far. Other countries, another 16 countries in fact, are currently following, but are still a far cry from what China has already invested in quantum technologies and quantum computing. The investment is now at around $35 billion. That's $35,000 million, up from around $31 billion in 2021. Okay, now let's put this into perspective. As of 2023, there are no real-world applications for quantum computing and quantum technologies. This makes investing in quantum technologies rather difficult to justify. However, the WEF warns that the differences in investments into quantum technologies and quantum computing will create a divide in the world, a divide between countries that invested in quantum computing and those others that did not. There's a lot of others. Worldwide, only 17 countries have started to invest in quantum computing and quantum technologies. And as mentioned, China is the key player in quantum technologies and quantum computing in terms of investment. As mentioned, 17 countries have some sort of idea about the future use of quantum technologies and quantum computing. However, this also means that all other countries have done virtually zero investments in quantum technologies. This lack of investments by all the other countries will create an unrepairable division in the future. For example, a lack of investments in quantum technologies is showing and will show in the way governments are training and will train their future workforce. As of 2023, most countries, except those 17 that are already investing in quantum technologies, but most countries will not be able to train their future workforce in quantum-related fields. Hence, this is deepening the divide between the countries. Other than the 17 countries funding quantum technologies, all other countries have no means of training a quantum-savvy workforce. For example, their national or private universities do not offer degree courses in quantum technologies. This may not be that important right now, as there is no real-world application for quantum technologies available, but the WEF is looking into the future. It's important to understand that the WEF's view on quantum technologies is not short-term. It corresponds with their long-term agenda or vision, their vision for 2030. Let me start by saying that even to the most enthusiastic quantum technologies and quantum computer supporter, classical computing will not get replaced anytime soon, if ever. The WEF has many areas, many fields that they are looking at. Now the WEF their agenda is to shape or help shape the world. But they are looking at many fields, and so I want to reduce it to a few fields which will be directly impacted by the enhancements in quantum technologies. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a big umbrella term, and quantum computing could, in theory, dramatically enhance the capabilities of AI. In the field of climate change, quantum computing will be able to create more accurate algorithms that allow us to see what will happen with the climate. By the same token, quantum computing is expected to enhance the development of new drugs. In material science, quantum computing will be able to create new materials. The materials that may get developed will potentially be mind-boggling from today's perspective at least. When pondering about the future of cybersecurity, quantum computing is supposed to keep us safe or safer online. Let's leave it at this. But regarding safety and privacy, it's clear that if it happens, when it happens, quantum computing will have an impact on, for example, the blockchain and its related technologies like Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies. And in theory, quantum computing can create metaverses that resemble the world we saw depicted in dystopian sci-fi movies like Ready Player One, or the classic of all classics, The Matrix from 1999. However, it's not 2030 yet, and an agenda is only an agenda until it no longer is. For now, many of these quantum computing and quantum technology applications seem too futuristic. However, keep in mind that people overestimate what can be done in 1 year and underestimate what can be done in 10 years. Remember, the future is in motion. The WEF has many good reasons as to why the WEF does what it does. So in conclusion, I want to mention a quote by a hero of mine, Nikola Tesla, who was no stranger in seeing and experiencing the greed of man. As it is well known, many others stole Tesla's ideas and took advantage of him. So Tesla said it beautifully. There are only two reasons why people do something: a good reason and a real reason. Let's hope that the real reason why the WEF does anything corresponds with their good reasons.